You ever wonder if your Beam wallet is more than just a place to hold your crypto? Like, is it an exchange itself, or just a really good wallet? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially as more and more people dive into the world of decentralized finance and privacy-focused cryptocurrencies like Beam. We're all trying to navigate this new financial landscape, and understanding the tools we use is absolutely crucial. Think about it. When you first get into crypto, one of the biggest hurdles is figuring out where to store your digital assets. You hear about different types of wallets, hot wallets, cold wallets, hardware wallets, and then you hear about exchanges. Sometimes it feels like they all just blend together, right? Especially with platforms evolving so rapidly, it can be tough to keep track of what's what. Is your Beam wallet an independent entity, or is it inextricably linked to a trading platform? Is it giving you the best of both worlds, or is there a subtle distinction we need to be aware of? So, let's cut to the chase. Is Beam wallet an exchange wallet? The straightforward answer is no, not in the traditional sense. Beam wallet is a standalone, non-custodial wallet designed specifically for the Beam cryptocurrency. What does non-custodial mean? It means you, and only you, have control over your private keys. This is a fundamental distinction from an exchange wallet. When you use an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, you're essentially entrusting your funds to them. They hold the private keys, and while you have an account with them, you don't have direct ownership of the underlying crypto in the same way you do with a non-custodial wallet. It's like the difference between keeping your cash in your own physical wallet versus depositing it in a bank. The bank holds your money, and you trust them to give it back to you when you ask. With a non-custodial wallet, you are the bank. Beam Wallet's primary function is to securely store, send, and receive Beam tokens. It's built with a strong emphasis on privacy, leveraging Beam's Mimblewimble protocol to ensure your transactions are confidential. It's a tool for managing your Beam assets directly, without an intermediary. This self-custody aspect is a cornerstone of the decentralized ethos, empowering individuals with full control over their digital wealth. Now, it's worth noting that Beam Wallet might offer features that interface with exchanges or decentralized exchanges, DEXs. For example, there might be integrated swap functionalities that allow you to exchange Beam for other cryptocurrencies, or vice versa, perhaps through a third-party service integrated into the wallet's interface. However, this doesn't make the wallet itself an exchange. It's still facilitating those transactions through an exchange or a DEX, rather than acting as one itself. The underlying principle remains: your private keys, your control. Think of it this way: your web browser allows you to access countless websites, including online stores. But your web browser isn't an online store itself, right? It's a tool that lets you interact with them. Similarly, Beam Wallet is a tool that allows you to manage your Beam and potentially interact with various services, but it's not a trading platform where you buy and sell crypto with other users in a centralized manner. Its core identity is that of a secure, private, and non-custodial wallet. This distinction is crucial for understanding your ownership and control over your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.